Hey everybody, it's Shakar here again with a new video, and this is the second part to my gardening series where the first part was where I planted, or I should say, made a raised garden bed. And if you want to see how I did that, you can check out that video. I will link it somewhere up here. So this is going to be kind of a vlog style video. I'm at Home Depot right now. I tried to film this intro outside, but it's so windy and you couldn't even hear me. So yeah, so today I am going to get some more gardening supplies. I didn't have like the tools and things to actually like plant the plants, I guess. And I didn't have any garden gloves or anything like that. So that is why I'm at Home Depot right now. I'm also here to get some flowers because my mom wanted me to get her some flowers to plant. So we're going to do that. And I will show you how I add my vegetables to the garden bed and all of that. So if you want to see how I do that, then just stay tuned. Okay, I'm trying to do a real quick haul for you here because this is the best lighting, and yeah, I know what everything is right now. So okay, so I got some fencing to put around my garden bed to keep the critters out. I got some lavender that I'm gonna plant near my garden bed just to keep some other pests out. I got this. It's called a Everlast. Pink Everlast. I don't know. It's got pink flowers on it. I like it. I bought these. They look like chrysanthemums from my mom. And I got some more flowers down here. Some purple ones. Some more orangey looking ones. I got some little red and white ones back there, as you can see. And then I got some garden tools. I got a spade, a rake. I got some garden, what do you call the pruners? Prune the trees and the shrubs. And then this bad boy here, which I'm excited to use. It's like an all-purpose or multi-purpose blade. That's what I was told to get when I took the master class, the gardening master class with I forget his name right now, but I will link a post of his. There's a bunch of YouTube videos about him, and yeah, it's a really good gardening master class. And then I got these shears, just like some pruning shears because I don't have any. So that's pretty much what I got. I hope that she likes these flowers because there really wasn't a great selection, and everything had already flowered and was dying. So I got what I could, and I can't wait to plant these lavender plants. They smell so good. Okay, you guys, we're in the garden now. or backyard, and I'm going to plant my plants today. Got my little floppy sun hat on. It's not that sunny today, but hey, I just thought I had the right look. And yeah, I have already started putting up the fencing that's going to be around the garden bed. And yeah, so just follow along, I guess. Follow along and we'll see what we can get done here. Hopefully it will not start raining before I finish this tonight. I got about 9 plants to plant, so 9 or 10, I can't remember. Anyway, let's get to it. Alright, so I got all of the plants in the bed. I even have room for some more here. I thought I might have to break up this mint right here, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I cut off a few leaves before I put it in there to make tea, so I'm not gonna break it apart right now, maybe later. So you got the tomato here, as you can see. Tomatoes. Oh, sorry. Right there. You have some, let me find it. Tomatoes. You got straight neck heirloom squash. This is hidden over here. I might bring this out a little bit. This is some pepper, green bell pepper. We got some Brussels sprouts and some sweet basil here. And then here you got, if I can figure it out, some sweet mint here. So yeah, that's it for today. I'm gonna put this fence around here the best I can, so I'll show you how I'm doing that. I'm using this hardware cloth. It's like almost like chicken wire, just to go around and keep most of the varmints out of here. I mean, I'm eventually gonna go and put some mesh as well around it so that the varmints around here can't get into my garden. But this is what I'm starting out with for today. Alright, so I got everything in. I got the fence put around it. I tried to put bricks around, just I need to put some more over here, but some bricks around just to keep the little ones from like crawling under the fence. Nothing I can do about them crawling over, so I don't know. Maybe one day I'll have a greenhouse or something, but anyway, this is what we got. And I'm just gonna put a little water on it. Just, I know it rained the last couple days, so the soil is moist, but I'm just gonna put a little like plant food on it, and hopefully that will keep it from being traumatized too much. But here we go. Okay, you guys, that is it. That is my video for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, I know I'm not a professional. This is my first time doing this, so if you have any tips or comments about how to make things better or grow faster or whatever you want to say, just let me know down below. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and until I see you next time, take care.